Hello viewers, in this video lecture we are going to see one topic, post correspondence problem from the 5th unit of theory of computation. Objectives are to understand the concepts of post correspondence problem. First of all, what is the need of post correspondence problem? The undecidability of a string is determined with the help of post correspondence problem. It is shortly called as PCB. The decidability of the string is, it is the decision process by the Turing machine whether a particular string is acceptable or not by the Turing machine logic. So if the Turing machine is able to decide whether the string is accepted or not, that language is called as decidable languages. Undecidability means a language whose strings will not get decided whether it is accepted or not. So the undecidability of the string can be determined with the help of PCB problem. We can see the formal definition. The post correspondence problem consists of two lists of strings that are of equal length over the input. The two lists may be of the format A equal to W1, W2, W3 up to Wn. A is one list having sequence of string. B is the second list having the sequence of strings like W1, W2 up to Wn. Then there exists a non-empty set of integers like I1, I2, I3 in such that by arranging the strings from the list as per the integer order, we can equalize the strings of both lists. That is, by applying the order of integers like W1, W2, W3, the same order have to be maintained on the second list so as to equalize the strings of the list. In our problem, our concept is we have to identify that I values, that is the order of integers, which is used to rearrange the strings. Now we can see the problem. Consider the correspondence system with the given list. We are having two lists A and B. First, each list having three strings. So we can call the strings with the names W1 equal to B. From the first list, W1 equal to B, W2 equal to BA, B power 3, W3 equal to BA. And let us name the strings of the second list with the help of the variable x. X1 equal to B power 3, X2 equal to BA, X2 equal to BA, X3 equal to A. Now we have to identify the integer order. And we have to rearrange the strings in this order, and we will try to make the same string combination in both sides, same string combinations from both lists. So here the solution is 2, 1, 1, 3. 2 means it will mention both W2 and X2. So first of all we have to keep W2, X2. After that we have to concatenate it with W1, X1, then W1, X1, W3, X3. So when we arrange all the strings in this order, we can equalize the individual elements, input symbols. Now we can see the diagram. Here W2, so our order is 2, 1, 1, 3. So when we arrange in this fashion, we are getting W2 means BA, B3, W1 means B, W1 means B, W3 is BA. Now in the same way we have to arrange the strings of X pattern. X2 is BA, X1 is B3, X1 is B power 3, X1 is B power 3, then X3 is A. Now we can concatenate all the input symbols of the string. We can get the same string patterns. Okay, so finally we have to conclude that if we are able to equalize the string patterns from the both lists, we can tell the given problem has the PCB post correspondence solution. This is also another one example. Here the order is 1 to 1 to 1 3 3 4. So by arranging the strings in this order, we can have the equal set of strings from the two list. Now this is another one example. Two lists are X and Y, each list having three strings 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. So the individual strings will be called as X1 X2 X3 Y1 Y2 Y3. And the solution is, the order of integer is 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3. So in this example we can see we can repeat the strings. Whenever necessary, we can repeat the strings to produce the equalized strings. So like when the equalization can be formed with the help of the order 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 2. So our equivalent strings are x1 x3 x1 x1 x3 x2 x2 equal to y1 y3 y1 y1 y3 y2 y2 is producing the same set of strings from two lists. So we can say this two lists are having the post correspondence solution. So that's all about the topic. We can have the question like explain post correspondence problem with example.